Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to make Elevenlabs voice more natural. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go for the voices on the left side over here. And after that, guys, just simply select create or clone a voice on the top right over here. And now just simply select voice design. So from here, you will have a voice design prompt. So pretty much this will be depending on you guys, as much as you add a prompt something like voice more natural and calm and have an emotion. And from here, this prompt is really great. And direct the prompt, the better the result. And from here, you will have a sample text over here just to preview it, and you could adjust the settings as well. So you could adjust the loudness, the quality, and of course make sure the quality is high, and the guidance scale as well. And from here, once you are done, just simply select generate a voice. And after that, guys, you will have here 3 voices sample, and just simply select that you prefer, and just simply select a voice once you are done, and just simply name this voice natural. And after that, just simply provide the label. I'm gonna go for Cebuano, for example, and just simply save the voice once you are done. And after that, you could use this voice that you just created for your prompt by going to my voices over here, and then going to the natural that we just created, and select this text over here to use a voice. And from here, you can have your voice as the prompt that we created. And from here, guys, make sure to adjust the style exaggeration as well, and make sure it is much more slower, and make it more stable. And for the similarity, just simply play around with it around 80%, and make sure the model is the 11 multilingual V2. And also, guys, make sure to turn this on to make it more natural. And once you are done, you just simply select generate a speech, and from here you should be able to have the sound that we just created, and you can just simply download it at the bottom. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.